In this Flip Flop Navigator adventure, I take a second-class train from Bangkok to Udon Thani, then make the return trip from Nong Kai on the border of Laos near Vientiane to Bangkok on an overnight first-class sleeper train. This is a huge train station and no one's here. On this trip to Udon Thani, I booked a second-class seat, which means I had an assigned seat in an air-conditioned car. I was shooting in the dark picking my seat because I had never booked online or ridden a second-class train. And just my luck, I picked the only seat next to the most opaque window on the train. I am Flip Flop Navigator, here to share my travel and adventures with you. We will go wherever my flip-flops take us, preferably to the less known, off the beaten path places, living by the motto, the destination is the journey. I hope you enjoy my adventures and maybe, just maybe, they will inspire you to go on an adventure of your own. Booking the train online was very easy. I will show you the website and how to do it at the end of this video. The overnight trains are the only ones that run with first-class sleeper cars, but I wanted to be able to see the countryside today, so I took a daytime second-class train. If you watch my previous video riding in the third class, it looks nearly the same as second class, but there's no air conditioning and the seats aren't assigned. The trip from Bangkok to Udon Thani was as comfortable as any 9-hour train ride could be. Here's the bathroom, not too shabby. Look, you can see the tracks down there. That's exactly where everything goes. Straight into the fertilizer. I always find it interesting that the Thai police are the train attendants checking your tickets on the train. The police presence makes sense and surely makes the train safer. There are a number of people that ride the train for a few stops selling goods and food throughout the trip. I am told if you're in the know, you can try many local specialty dishes by buying food from these local vendors in their region of the train. I'm here in Nong Kai, Thailand, getting prepared to take the overnight sleeper train to Bangkok. I took a local train from Udon Thani to Nong Kai. After Songkran, I came here last week and took the second class. It's a seat in an air-conditioned car during the day so I could see the views, and now I'm doing the first class overnight. We'll see how much sleep I get, see if there are any views in the dark, probably not. I'm actually walking now. I had to check out of my hotel at like noon, so I have the day in Nong Kai, so I'm walking now looking for some mango for my dinner / midnight snack. My third class seat to Khon Kaen was 25 baht, less than $1. My second class seat to Udon Thani with the air conditioning with the seat was $17 US. So I'm guessing that's about 600 baht. This train, I have one room to myself with 2 bunks. I had to buy 2 bunks, otherwise you could get a partner in the room, and it was $56, so I think it was 1700 and something baht. I leave at 7:40 p.m, arrive at 5:50 a.m. at the new train station in Bangkok, Krung Tip Antiwap. After the train station for my 7:40 overnight sleeper train from Nong Kai to Bangkok. 7:20. Lots of time. $7:20 and already boarding. Bye bye Nong Kai. Looks like it's about a 14-car train. You can see these windows. Car 9. Look at these little private seats. Even the private seats aren't bad. These are like beds and they can look out the window. Maybe that's what I have. I don't know. I think that's a private sleeper seat. They look pretty good though. And there's like the regular seats. Still, it wouldn't be dark and you wouldn't be able to sleep very well. Top and bottom bunk sleepers. Actually seats below and look like a bunk above. Part 2, seat 18. There we go in. It's 2-1. Looks like this is me. All to myself. Not too shabby. Place to myself. These are seats if you want to sit down with a table between you. Yeah, if you're traveling with another person, this is great. You both have a bunk bed. You can sit here and.
One person.
Only one, yeah.
Okay, toilet outside here. Okay. Thank you. Go
Okay.
to Bangkok, na?
Yeah, go to
Okay,
Bangkok.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Imagine for a second, if you will, if you could get a $56 hotel room. You go in there, you have your own room, you have air conditioning, there's a shared bathroom outside, there's electricity, there's a table, and you check into your hotel room at 7 p.m. at night, check out at 6 a.m., and the added bonus is you get on a train in Nong Kai, Thailand, a short distance from Vientiane, Laos, and you wake up in Bangkok 10 hours later. This is fantastic. This is the only way to travel. $56. I have my own room. Turn on the light so you can see. There's 2 bunks. You can get 1 bunk and share with another person. Everything else, there's a little TV here. There's the top bunk. There's 2 chairs down here. Put the table between you. Place for my water, place for my computer. There's a place to plug in. There's a little reading light there. Great deal. This has got to be the only way to travel. Leaving Udon, Thailand. This is the opposite side from the station. This little display is very informative. It tells you your previous station, next station, how much time you have until your destination, the temperature outside, temperature inside. Very informative. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so dark in this car with the lights off that I can see the stars out the window. It's pretty cool. The display says we are at Bangkok Station, 2257 Bangkok Station. Arrival time is 6:04 a.m. And I have plenty of room. I'm 5'9", 176 centimeters. My head is not touching the top. I have my hands above my head, as you can see. Hands above my head. My feet are a long way from the wall. 6'5", 7 foot person. Could even lay down in here. We are in Ayutthaya. 4:30 a.m. leaving Ayutthaya station. These are the bathrooms, fairly basic. They work. Look, there's a shower. Come in here and shower. It's got heat. Well, look at this. It shows the bathrooms and the shower green, so you can tell that they're available. I didn't notice that before. I guess the food isn't green, so it's not available. That's the first announcement we've had since the trip started. It's getting brighter out. Hopefully we have a sunrise.
Attention please. Now we are approaching to Krungthep Apua Central Terminal in 40 minutes. Please check your belongings on the bed. For stop in the bed and set up the seats please. We would like to apologize for inconvenience. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Your piece outside. Yeah, I make it.
Oh, okay.
15 minutes back home.
Okay.
Yeah, I make.
Oh, okay.
Piece out. Sorry.
Sure. Rise over there. The guy just came in. Made my bed. You heard the conversation. Now I have 2 big seats. We are at the old Bangkok airport, Dang Mong. We have arrived at the station. 5:55 a.m. 10 hours later. I didn't get a lot of sleep. I think I only got 4 or 5 hours of sleep, but I was laid down with my eyes closed. Did 3 hours of editing on my computer, and despite the lack of sleep, I will definitely do this again. I will choose this over a flight if I have the time any day. The train to Chiang Mai is 13 hours, so I'll probably be doing that one next. I'm going to go online and buy a ticket just to show you how easy it is to do. This is the website, dticket.railway.co.th. You go in there. The first thing you want to do to the top right, you want to change it to English. You do not want to let Google translate for you. Otherwise, when you do the search, it's not going to find the station. So you need to change the Thai website to English in the top right. Then I'm doing my search here from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. Pick the date. If If you want to do round trip, you can pick down there, round trip. I'm just going to do one way for this demonstration. Search. No data found. Why is that? Maybe it's the wrong date, so I'll change the date to a day earlier. Search. No data. Why is that? The reason is because Bangkok station doesn't go to Chiang Mai. You have to know the name of the actual station, so you need to do a little bit of research. Krong Thep Antiwap. Do a search again, and there's a number of stations. So you need to look up what station the train you want to ride leaves from. I recommend you register for an account. It's easier to go back and look at your reservations and change things if you need to. If this video makes you want to get off the couch and go to Thailand and take a second class or first class train and try out their website, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I read all of your comments and love to hear your feedback.